Bikaji Foods, you've been talking about since a very long time on our channel. It's been one of your top picks. Do you think the street is getting ready for more mergers, acquisitions to follow soon? And will this get this entire space also in action right ahead of the festivities then?
Quite possible. And we've also heard, Sakshi, about the kind of valuations that Haldiram is expected to get, right? And therefore, I think this entire space and organized players might actually start eating into the pie of a lot of unorganized players. The other element that is probably also happening from a macro perspective is with a lot of GST compliances that are probably increasing, e-way bills and monitoring of that aspect. I think a lot of the unorganized players are finding it a little bit more difficult to carry on their operations in a far more systematic manner. And therefore, I think the kind of market that India probably has, with the organized players increasing their spread across the length and breadth of the country, and macros as a tailwind also aiding them from a regulatory perspective, I think there is still good enough space for these guys to actually grow overall in a market like India over the next few years.
Okay, and let's get Mitesh here into the conversation since we are talking about festivities also. Do you prefer sweets or do you prefer savory snacks, Mitesh ji? And therefore, would you be looking at snack makers like Bikaji, Pratap Snacks, Gopal Snacks, or would you be looking at the sugar stocks which are also in the sweetest spot today? Balrampur Chini, Awadh Sugar, Ugar Sugar. These are all the stocks that are up 5, 6, 7% all in trade today. So both sweets and savory, it's a tough choice to make.
Absolutely. So I think sugar is where we have already issued a report, so we are bullish on that space. Apart from that, from the snakes segment, what is looking interesting is Gopal Snacks. I think the stock is now successfully trading above its post kind of uh, just hold on. Yeah, post IPO listing. IPOs listed, and after that, it has made a high of 392.85 on 15th of March 2024. Post that, the stock went for a toss and a correction, and now the stock is trading well above that level. So I think Gopal is looking pretty interesting from the current level. What we are looking at is around 480 to 500 levels at the current level. So probably with a stop of 380, one should go long with a target of 480 to 500.